Hi friends. Welcome to my channel Newsgirl Technical Gossip, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest news about the technology first. Well, Apple and Samsung's heavy hitters for 2018 are out. Sammy's Note line has always been a representation of what the biggest and meanest Android smartphones can do. And Apple's plus-sized smartphones are, well, slightly better than the non-plus ones. Except, this year around, it's called Max. So, in Samsung's corner, we have the Galaxy Note 9, with a Snapdragon 845, 8GB of RAM, a massive 6.4-inch AMOLED screen with a 1440 x 2960 pixel resolution, and the beloved S Pen, an unrivaled smartphone stylus. The camera has a 2x telephoto lens and a normal lens for your portrait mode and auto needs. There's a blood pressure meter, heart rate sensor, a fingerprint scanner, and an iris scanner on board. Yeah, Samsung packs these things to the brim. You can get the Note 9 in either 128GB or 512GB storage variants, costing $1,000 and $1,250 respectively. On the Apple side, it's a 6.5-inch, 1242 x 2688 screen with the controversial notch on top, next to no bezel all around, Apple's very impressive A12 Bionic chip inside with 4GB of RAM to help it out. The iPhone XS Max sports a dual camera on the back, one normal lens, one with a 2x telephoto lens. Apple's done with its Touch ID fingerprint scanner. The new iPhones have the Face ID tech only, and if you want to get some fancy health-related meters, you'd have to invest in a separate Apple Watch. Admittedly, the Apple Watch Series 4 is pretty awesome. So, the iPhone XS Max comes in variants of 64GB, 256GB, and 512GB, with prices of $1,100, $1,250, and $1,450. So, yeah, the two phones are comparable in terms of price. If you were to splurge $1K and right now, in this very moment, which of these phones would you buy? Feel free to explain your motivations in the comments below. Thanks for watching and keep supporting the channel.